cut. Hey, peace everybody. Welcome to Ross Recording Studio. I'm Chuck. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of repair on the guitar. The last video, Snakeskin Cowboy, Ted Nugent uses the hollow body, so I got the hollow body out, and when I plugged it in, there's a little buzzing sound going on, so I had the cable wrapped around the strap, kind of tugging it, and well, of course, when in the middle of the song, it buzzed a little bit, so yanked it a little bit harder, redid the song, and got through it. But, you know, you just can't go on like that, so let's see if we can see what's going on. Got the tools of destruction, too small. It's amazing that that's the right size, the biggest screwdriver. You're very careful with these wooden guitars. You can easily strip them out. This is an add-on. The other one on the other side, there's no block behind it. It's stripped out in a heartbeat. So, right there is the culprit. Yeah, you can see it's not keeping a good connection. So, what we need to do to fix it, we're just going to bend that tab in a little bit. Not a lot, but enough so it doesn't and we need a close-up of that. I think that's enough, but you know me, you gotta do it a little bit more, and that's when it breaks, right? Okay, that looks good. Again, I want to stress, do not over tighten these screws. Inch pounds, maybe. Instead of foot pounds, this is inch pounds. We're probably talking micro inch pounds. Alright, that's good right there. It's good right there. Pull the whole thing out. That would kind of be funny, wouldn't it? So, success, peace out. Thanks for watching.